this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I want to do a tutorial for this gingerbread bowl. So I have cut out the smaller size, and these three is to make these three are a set and these are a set. So let me show you what I have cut out. So this is this piece, and this one, and this one. So this is what I cut out, and let's layer them together. So it's layered like this, and this is the icing, like the cookies. And for this one, it's the same way. So it will be layered like this. And now it's ready, and just fold it and cut a small piece. And then use this piece. So you can use it or not. Just I want to make sure this bowl would be more sturdy. So I use and now I'm adding this one as the center. So the bowl looks like this. And then I want to add icing on this part to make it like a real cookie icing. So you can do it before you're making this bowl, before you assemble this bowl, but because this will take a much longer time, so I did this after. And I didn't do all of the icing. I just do the part where you can see it. So this will make it, yeah, a little sparkle and a little different with these glitter drops. So it will look like this, and I'm also adding the drops at the bottom. So it's finished. And for the center, I was thinking of adding this little peppermint candy here, but it's still a little big. See, it's a little big, but I think this will be cute. That if you have a better size than I have, that it will be cute to add on as the center of the bowl. But yeah, I think this pearl is also great. So this is the tutorial, and hope you find it helpful. Any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.